Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. If you find value in this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. Let's get right into it. So right here, we have finally gotten a overshadow on our Heikin-Ashi candles. Remember that when we had an overshadow right here, we got a reversal to the upside. When we had an overshadow right here, we got a reversal to the downside. So a lot of times these Heikin-Ashi candles with these overshadows, they signal a reversal to the upside. Now the question is that we have a weekly close tonight. Will we keep getting this reversal candle to push us back up towards the $50,000 range? That would be what's up. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the hourly. Kind of forming, looking like it kind of wants to Bart Simpson a little bit. Bart Simpson, if you don't know, it looks exactly like Bart Simpson, where we come up, have this little head thing, come down, kind of looks just like Bart Simpson. Cowabunga, man. So we had a little fake out to the upside before, liquidation long. Now we're just back in this range here. This range from about 42,100 to about 41,000. So right around between $41,000 and $42,000. Yeah, and I got to make this video fairly quick. I got a wrestling tournament with my daughter today. We hope we get a win. That would be dope. But let's just go ahead and take a look at the overall crypto market. See if we have any big gainers. The 7-day on a lot of these coins are looking real nice. A lot of them up double digits. There was one coin in particular that's up a ton, and that is Gala Games. Gala Games, let's see if we can find it. Where are you, Gala? Gala, there it is. Up 60% in the week. Up 25% on the day. Huge gain. I almost got into Gala, but I didn't buy it. I should have bought it. You know, it was one of the coins I was thinking about getting, but did not get. So anyway, Solana up 20% for the week. Terra up 10%. Polkadot up 14%. So we got a lot of big gainers here. And yeah, things are looking up. Like I said, you know, the question is can we continue this upward trend? So as you remember, real quick, just to recover, we had this breakout right here. Before, we said that we would come up here and get rejected, possibly, and start coming down. That did not work out. We thought we'd come up and come down and test this level. But you know, one thing is that when everyone's looking for a particular level, plus or minus 2 or 3. So, you know, with the 33,000, we came back up. Now, what are the levels we're looking at? If you look at our Fibonacci's, it looks like we came up when we tested this, the 0.236 fib, and we are just sitting right above it right now, and we're kind of like flirting with it a little bit. If we do break that, I think maybe we could come back down to test that 33K level. Otherwise, let's say we come up, I do believe that we are going to be coming up to about the 0.382 fib, right up here at about 46,000. We have to finally get past this resistance. So this is support, but now should be resistance coming back up. And if we break that resistance, I think we could be looking at that golden pocket zone right around $55,000. That would be big for the alts and big for Bitcoin. So we're not too far off. And as fast as things go up, could be as fast as things come down, could be as fast as they go up. So maybe we do something like this, where we come back up, test that, come back down, test that, come back down, come back up there. I think that might be feasible. Anyway, let's take a look at our fear and greed index. We are sitting at a 37, so we are out of extreme fear. So we are now in just a little bit of fear. That's bullish. You know, you wanted to get in during extreme fear, just saying. And let's take a look at the heat map. A lot of green today. A lot of green. Axie up big. Mana up big. Harmony 1 looking good. You know, a lot of these are up really, really good. The market is just looking bullish. And, you know, that's really it for the day. Let's just go over the coins we are currently dollar cost averaging in. We have Solana, AVAX, Matic, Phantom, Cadena, Arweave, Dot, Elrond, Sandbox, and Link. We own one Link. One Link. One chain link. So yeah. Some people just come on here and talk about the charts and they talk about the news, and I realize that that's not very entertaining, but just to share with you guys some of the things that I have done wrong. One of the things that I have done wrong is the biggest thing I've done wrong is to put in more money than I'm willing to lose. To play with too much money, to kind of like play with leverage in a way, borrowed money. And that can make you very emotional. It can affect your decision making. And, another thing I do wrong is FOMO. So let's just take a look real quick. Just real quick. This is what I normally do. I come over here. I look at something like Axie Infinity. And I go, wow, it's up 13% and it's pumping right now. I want to be in this coin. And I do want to be in this coin. I think that metaverses are everything right now. But one thing is that if you look left, if you really evaluate it, and the normal me would definitely want to be buying this, but just looking left, I mean, look at all of this support that should be turning into resistance. Look at all that right around here, and it looks like it's coming up to it right now. It looks like it wants to break through, but it looks like we're stalling. We're going to stall a little bit and kind of go sideways right here. So, one of the things is that I do end up FOMOing into a lot of coins. Oh, look at Mana. Oh, look at Mana. Here comes Mana. Mana is just... The metaverse is just pumping. Let's look left. Looking left. It looks like we got over this level of resistance, which support turned into resistance. What's the next level of? It'd be right around here, where this high volume node is. It looks like we're above that too. This looks like it could be a big pump. I tell you what, let's FOMO, shall we? One of the biggest mistakes I make is when I FOMO, but I got SHIB. I got some SHIB on me, and really, I could use something like Mana. Ooh, we're having connection issues. Ooh, what's going on here? That's not the first thing to do this to me. I hope I don't have a virus. What's going on? We'll do it on my phone, I guess. It's weird that these websites aren't working, but my trading view is. How we doing? 12%? I don't know, guys. FOMO is one of the worst things that you can do. It's one of the worst things you can do. And let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours cooked as hell. That's going to be coming back down. The RSI can really help you. Wow, the 8 hours cooked as well. Yeah, this thing's gone. This thing is gone. So is Axie. Axie is also gone. All of these coins are gone. This is going to be the critical point right here where it's do or die for Bitcoin. It is do or die for Bitcoin because it's gone sideways long enough for the alts to kind of catch up, and this is either going to pump or it's going to dump, of course. And yeah, it's just not the time to be buying. If Bitcoin makes it up a little bit further, maybe you put it in a little bit long. But right now, all your longs should be in. If you were longing, you should have been longing from 33,000, 34,000, 35,000, not at 41.5. This is big support right here. If we hold this, it can signal a little bit more upside for Bitcoin. But to be FOMOing into these coins is not a good idea. So look, I didn't break one of my rules. I did pretty good just now. Good to be on stream. Good to be with you guys. What are the rules? Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Hold, HODL, DCA, and hold over the long term. Just hold over the long term. If you can keep all these positions. I mean, I don't have anything a lot. I got $100 in Solana. I got one AVAX. I got $100 in Matic. I got $100 in Phantom. I got $87. So I don't have a lot invested at the moment. Not a ton. And that's good because my bank account is full enough for where I don't have to worry about some stuff. So anyway, I can't make this video too long. I'm going to let you guys go. But Bitcoin is looking good on look, there's not even an overshadow for Axie. So, like, you know, even if we looked at I keep getting distracted, but even if we looked at our Heikin-Ashi candles, you know, none of these, not a lot of these, have that overshadow that we're looking for a reversal. So that's just something to note. Just something to note. That a lot of these don't have that. Just saying. So, let's look at Crow. Crow has one. Crow has that reversal candle, so maybe Crow is a good one to put in there. So yeah. Anyway, have a great day. Don't panic sell your crypto, and protect your capital. All right, take it easy.